Jay Swaminarayan, myself Kumudini Nalaude, Atmi Green School, Standard 6th, subject Maths. Now, I think we have completed the 15th example. Okay, but I think I have to repeat it again. So, I will repeat the 15th example once again. So, please uh, see the 15th example. It is, I have given it as a homework. Mother wants to divide 36 rupees between her daughter Shreya and Bhumika in the ratio of their ages. If Shreya's age is 15 years and age of Bhumika is 12 years, find how much Shreya and Bhumika will get. Now total amount 36. So let's take the ratio of Shreya and Bhumika. Okay. So it is 15 upon 12. So 15 and 12 are in the table of 3. So 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12. So the ratio is 5 upon 4. So 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. अगर 9 रुपीज है तो 5 और 4 ऐसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे, लेकिन टोटल रुपीज कितने हैं हमें 36. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू 36 you have to take ratio and solve it. Okay, now we will start our 16th example. Present age of father is 12 years and that of son is 14 years. Find the ratio of present age of father to the present age of son. Then age of father to the age of son when the son was 12 years old. Age of father after 10 years and age of son after 10 years. Age of father to the age of father to the age of son when they are 30 years old. Okay, so let's start. I think I have solved it, that's why I am searching. Okay, just give me 1 second. Fine, this is the example. Okay, so I have read the example. Let's start. Now present age of father is 40 years and present age of son is 14 years. Okay, so the ratio will be 42 upon 14. Okay, so 42 and 14 किसके टेबल में है 14 के. Of course it is in the table of 7 also, but we have to take the largest number, right? So we have to take here 14. So 14 3s are 12, 14 3s are 42 and 14 1s are 14. So what will be the ratio? 3 as to 1. Fine. So next, when son was 12 years old, just give me 1 minute. I will call back. I am doing a video. Okay. When son was 12 years means before 2 years. Okay. आज की सन की उम्र 14 years है. Now when he was 12 years, that means before 2 years. Okay, so father's age is 42. So 42 minus 2. Why 2? Because son's age 12 before 2 years. So we have subtracted 14 by 2, we get 12. So we have to subtract 42 minus 2, we get 40 years. Now their ratio is equal to father's age to son's age. So 40 upon 12. So दोनों को हम किससे डिवाइड करेंगे 4 से, right? So 4 10 the 40 and 4 3 the 12. So that 10 as to 3. Next, age of father after 10 years and age of son after 10 years. So age of father after 10 years is 42 plus 10, we get 52, and age of son after 10 years is 14 plus 10, we get 24. So 52 upon 24. So we have to divide by 4. So we get here 13 upon 6. That is 13 as to 6. Okay. Next, age of father to the age of son when father was 30 years. Now see, when was father's age 30? Before 12 years. So we have to take the age of son before 12 years. So it is 14 minus 12, we get 2 years. So 30 upon 2. So it should be divisible by 2. So when we divide 30 by 2, we get 15 and 2 on the 2. That is 15 upon 15 as to 1. Okay. So let's start. So we have completed exercise 12.1, right? So we have to start today our new topic, that is proportion. before starting proportion, everyone was clear about the ratio, because if you can't understand ratio, then you can't understand proportion. So first of all, you have to clear the concept of ratio. Fine. So let's start our new topic, proportion. Consider this situation. Raju went to the market to purchase tomato. One shopkeeper tell him the cost of tomato 40 rupees for 5 kg. Another shopkeeper gives him the cost as 6 kg for 42 rupees. देखो 5 किलो 40 रुपीज है, तो 1 kg का कितना हुआ? 8 फाइव 40, मतलब 1 kg इज फॉर 8 रुपीज. और दूसरे शॉपकीपर ने कैसे रेट बताया? 6 kg फॉर 42 rupees. That means 6 7 are. So here he is giving by 7 rupees. Now what should Raju do? तो राजू को कौन से टमाटर खरीदने चाहिए? Should he purchase tomato from the first shopkeeper or second one? पहले से खरीदने चाहिए या दूसरे से? Will the comparison taking by the difference help him decide? तो हम डिफरेंस कैसे ढूंढेंगे? नो, वाई नॉट? कैसे ढूंढते हैं? चलो कोशिश करते हैं. थिंक ऑफ द सेम वे टू हेल्प हिम. डिस्कस विथ योर फ्रेंड्स. कंसिडर अनदर एग्जाम्पल. सो अभी मैंने आपको बताया, तो हमने पहले क्या किया? रेशो निकाला दोनों का, मतलब क्वांटिटी ऑफ टोमेटो, सॉरी प्राइस ऑफ कॉस्ट ऑफ टोमेटो अपॉन quantity of tomato, that is 40 upon 5. So what will you get here? 8 as to 1. And when we compare here in the second situation, that means from the second shopkeeper, cost of tomato upon quantity of tomato, तो cost 42 है upon 6, we get 7 as to 1, right ना? चलो, तो किससे खरीदनी चाहिए एक्चुअली? दूसरे शॉपकीपर से, right ना? Get it? Okay. So let's take the next example. Bhavika has 28 marbles and Vinny has 180 flowers. They want to share these among themselves. So Bhavika gives 14 marbles, Vinny gives 90 flowers to Bhavika. अब देखो भाविका के पास 28 मार्बल्स थे, आधे आधे उसने डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किए. विनी के पास भी कितने फ्लावर्स थे? 180, तो उसने भी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किए इक्वली. ओके, सो व्हाट हैपेंड देयर? बट विनी वॉज नॉट सेटिस्फाइड. लेकिन विनी को खुशी नहीं थी, क्योंकि उसे लग रहा था इसने तो मुझे कितने दिए? 28 ही दिए, तो जबकि मैंने फ्लावर्स इसको कितने दिए हैं? 90 फ्लावर्स दिए हैं. शी फेल्ट दैट शी हैड गिवन मोर फ्लावर्स टू भूमिका भाविका देन मार्बल्स गिवन बाय हर टू गिवन टू हर. मतलब उसको ऐसे लग रहा था कि उसने तो मुझे कम मार्बल दिए, जबकि मैंने फ्लावर्स तो उसको 90 दिए हैं. टू सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम बोथ वेंट टू विनीज मदर पूजा. तो दोनों छोटी बच्चियां थी, तो वो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने के लिए वो किसके पास गई? विनी की जो मामा थी पूजा, उनके पास गई. पूजा एक्सप्लेन दैट आउट ऑफ 28 मार्बल्स भाविका गेव यू 14 मार्बल्स टू विनी. तो पूजा ने कैसे समझाया? देखो, टोटल 28 मार्बल्स थे, है ना? तो उसमें से आपको कितने दिए? उसने 14 दिए. तो रेशो देखो, 14 क्या है? फ्लावर्स गिवन बाय भूमिका कितने? 14 अपॉन 28 टोटल मार्बल्स, राइट ना? अब देखो दूसरा रेशो, आउट ऑफ 180 फ्लावर्स विनी गिवन 90 फ्लावर्स टू भाविका. अब विनी का रेशो देखो, विनी ने कितने दिए? 90. टोटल उसके पास कितने थे? 180. तो उसका रेशो कितना हुआ? 1:2. नाउ you can see the both ratio. If we simplify, then both ratios are same ना? अगर हम इनको सिंप्लीफाई करें तो यहाँ देखो 14 से डिवाइड होगा, 14 1 द 14, 14 2 द 28, और यहाँ 19 1 द 19, 19 2 द 180, राइट ना? सिंस बोथ रेशियो आर सेम, सो द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इज फेयर. देखो दोनों का रेशियो सेम है ना, तो दोनों ने सही किया है, ऐसे मामा ने उनको समझाया. Two friends, Ashma and Pankhuri, went to market. Now this is the third example, okay? Two friends, Ashma and Pankhuri, went to market to purchase hair clips. They purchased 20 hair clips for 30 rupees. Ashma gave 12 rupees and Pankhuri gives 18 rupees. After they came back, Ashma asked Pankhuri,